I'm sure you've heard the news. Electrical safety is a big deal in construction. But how big? Let's break it down. NFPA 70E is no ordinary standard. It's your playbook for staying safe around electrical hazards. This isn't about more paperwork. It's about staying alive. Risk assessment? It's not just a checklist. It's about identifying, measuring, and managing risks before they turn into accidents. Think faulty equipment or exposed wiring. Serious stuff. And PPE? NFPA 70E specifies exactly what gear you need for different tasks. High voltage? You'll need arc-rated clothing, specialized gloves, and more. Your safety program should be more than a dusty manual. It should be a living document, updated, detailed, and tailored to your job site. Regular training keeps everyone sharp. Don't just tick boxes, think beyond compliance. The safety training evaluation process step can elevate your safety game. Customize it to your needs and see the difference it makes. At the end of the day, NFPA 70E is about one thing: keeping you safe. Follow the guidelines, use your PPE, and make safety a priority. Because when it comes to electrical hazards, knowledge and action are your best tools. Stay safe out there.